Hello friends, hi, this is Ritesh. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about how to reset the password using command. Just to reset the password we are going to use Windows ISO, nothing else. So let's go ahead and start the practical. This is my Windows Server 2019 system. As you can see, I am unable to log in the system as I have forgotten the password. To reset the password, there are few steps. These are the steps that we have to follow. First step is to mount ISO of Windows 2012. You can download the ISO of Windows 2012 server from the site. I will provide the site in the description tab in the end of the menu. First step is to mount the ISO. I have mounted the ISO. Now let's put the system from the ISO. As this is a VMware workstation, here you don't have an option to boot from menu. Select. So there is an option called power on to firmware. You have to select that. Once you select, BIOS will get open. In BIOS, first set the priority of CD-ROM and downgrade the priority of the hard disk. If the hard disk priority will be up, then the system will boot from hard disk, not from the CD-ROM. Let's save the setting. Press F10 key. It will ask two options, yes or no. Say yes. It's saying boot from CD. Press any key. Now system is booting from the CD. Keep the default options. Click next. Once you click next, there are two options, install now and repair your computer. Select repair your computer. Here you can see three options. One is continue. If you select continue, it will load the 2019 server. It will not be troubleshooting. Select troubleshooting. Refresh, reset your PC and advanced tool. Third option is to turn off your PC. Let's select option B, that is troubleshoot. Here are two options. One is system image recovery. It is to recover the corrupted OS from the system image, that is system backup. Second option is command prompt. You can use command prompt for different uses like repairing the MBR, boot files, etc. Once at command prompt, you can see X. It is the X drive of ISO. Now to find the file, Windows file. So first we have to find the drive. Press C colon CD D colon, hit enter. Once you type command dir. This command will show the list of directories in that drive we want the drive which contains Windows directory. As you can see, there is a Windows directory in this drive. Type command cd to go into the directory, cd Windows. Second, in Windows we have to go to system 32. So just type syst, hit tab till it system 32 comes. Hit enter to go into the directory. Once you are in this path, Windows system 32, the drive letter may vary from system to system. Sometimes it is E drive, sometimes it is C drive. So every time you have to search which drive is having Windows directory. Next command is to rename the utilman. Utilman, it is a utility exe in Windows. There are different utilities. One of them is utilman. So first I will copy utilman, hit tab. It will auto complete the word. I will copy it to d colon, give the path where do you want to copy. Copy d colon users slash admin users. I will copy in C colon users. Hit enter. As you can see, one file is been copied. Now we will replace cmd.exe with utilman.exe. So to run this command, we have to type copy space cmd, hit tab, then copy utilman.exe, hit enter. It will ask three options. Do you want to overwrite? Yes, no, or overwrite all the files. So press yes, that is why. Hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will show that the file is being copied. Now type exit to exit command prompt. Now press continue. Once you press continue, again it will ask to boot from CD. This time don't do anything, let it boot as usual operating system. This same process can be used to reset any Windows operating system, that is Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Server 2008, Windows 2012 R2, Windows 2016. Any operating system of Windows, you can use the same system. Same steps are there. Now press Ctrl delete. Here you can see easy access button is there, ease of access. Hit that, one command prompt will get open. In command prompt, type the command net space user space, you don't know the list of user. So if you type net space user, it will give the list of users that are in this system. I will type net space user, the user of which I want to reset the password, that is administrator space whatever password you want to keep. Say I want to keep this password. Hit enter. It will give command completed successfully. Type exit. Now type the password. As you can see, I have written that password. You can see I am logging into the system. That's it guys for today. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.